Hi guys, today we will replace the cabin air filter in 2019 Hyundai Sonata. First open the glove box. Now I will remove this thing, just pull it towards yourself and it will come off. The next we need to remove these two plugs. There's one right here and one on the other side. Turn them counterclockwise and it will come out. And there is another one right here. Same idea, counterclockwise, and now the glove box will go down, and inside you will see this plastic cover. Remove the cover and right here will be our cabin air filter. Oh my god, look at this guy. It looks like nobody replaced it ever. I'll show you guys the part number. Denso, and the airflow goes down, so the arrow should be pointing down when you install the new one. Again, oh my god. Insert the new one the same way, the arrow points down. Reinstall the cover like that, and now we can lift the glove box. Reattach this one and the plugs go back on. Turn them clockwise now on both sides. Find proper orientation and turn, and that's it. Our installation is complete. Thank you guys for watching.